let's get started. First, I'd like to announce that thanks to the magic of Disney animatronics, Strom Thurmond will live another 100 years.
20 more terms.
Moving on to new business, what act of unmitigated evil shall the Republican Party undertake this week?
Let's get rid of PBS. Those lousy Muppets have been taking food out of my mouth for too long.
I say we crack down on the hippies. Blah.
What about this dang environment? Back in Texas, we got rid of it, and it made everyone a lot happier. We were so happy to get rid.
Excellent. We shall destroy the environment by scrapping every anti-pollution law. Now, Bob Dole will read from the Necronomicon.
Isaac, Gazuri, Galaneth, Maledictu, Nosferamus, and Principe. In addition, the administration has declared recycling a felony. And Smokey the Bear is now Choppy the Lumberjack.
These trees are our national heritage.
A grizzly bear with a chainsaw. Now there's a killing machine.
Stop endangering yourself! Stop endangering yourself!
Good Lord, acid rain.
I'm singing in the rain. I just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Ah! It burns like a Glasgow bikini wax. Ah!
We better stay inside, at least until the squirrels stop melting.
No problem. There's plenty of activities inside.
Now let's see how our blind dates liked each other.
Oh, I really felt there was a connection, and I would definitely go out with her again.
He smelled like puke!
The TV! Oh!
Stop screaming, Homer.
Quit trying to control me.
We don't need TV to have family fun. Why don't we play Monopoly?